Hey guys, here's a quick how-to video. If you got headlights that look like this, nasty, buildup, can't see through them. As you can see, this truck is very dirty. I'm already starting to spray. Totally awesome. You can pick this up at your local dollar store. So, as you see this, get some of this. You don't gotta sand nothing, and just start spraying. And you see all that yellow buildup just starting to come off? Keep spraying until there's no more yellow buildup on it. Then after this, we're gonna rinse them down, and then we're gonna spray them with some clear coat. Spray all that off. See how it's turning white now? No more yellow. Step 2, after you rinse down the headlight, they look foggy like this. You're gonna get yourself some clear coat. This is the brand I'm using. Shake it up a little bit. Start to spray. Usually you'll mask off the paint area. On this particular vehicle, it needs a lot of work, a lot of detailing, so we did not mask it off. This is just a quick video to show you how to make your headlights look good again. Super cheap, super easy. Amazing. I did half of this light on the bottom. And you can see the glare. Clear. Finish the rest of it. Completely different. Completely different. And you're all done.